Introducing ZEMAN SBA CompactPlus, equipped with 2 welding robots to maximize assembly and welding efficiency. Randomly place various add-on parts on the scanning table and start the scanning process. It recognizes all placed parts and identifies what's needed, assuring they are within the preset tolerance parameters and meet quality expectations. Cross and longitudinal conveyors accelerate the material infeed and boost capacity output. The 2 welding robots, both equipped with laser scanning, start measuring the beam's exact location, length, and constitution. All obtained measurement results are compared with data from the 3D design software of your choice. After having determined all parts are compliant with the 3D construction design, the process of tack welding can now start. Depending on the weight and size of the parts, the handling robot automatically selects the suited magnetic gripping tool and places the part in its defined location. Allows perfect positioning 24/7, all the time, all day long. ZEMAN's revolutionary Synchro 2 feature enables welding and fitting at the same time. All 3 robots operating simultaneously enable the first weld to be processed during the assembly phase, which reduces the pure welding time by 10 to 20%, resulting in further overall machine efficiency. High-tech rotators designed by ZEMAN ensure unmatched low handling time, while allowing highest robot accessibility due to its unique open design. Being able to rotate up to 6 metric tons without manually intervening, these heavy-duty rotators provide the highest level of safety throughout the whole production process. To obtain maximum precision and the highest weld quality, each welding robot integrates an automatic wire cutting, cleaning, and recalibration process into its auto-generated workflow. Besides the preheating add-on, ZEMAN has additional offerings which allow you to integrate, automate, and add additional capabilities to your machine, right at the start or at some point in the future. If you're ready for the next step in steel beam fabrication, you're ready for automation.